What is the best real estate marketing tool? Bobby Parker says, Instagram is massively popular among young people. It's a visual platform that will let you brag about the best properties you want to show your followers. You can also pop additional info and your contact details into the caption, and some hashtags to give it more visibility. The best part about Instagram is that it's largely a visual platform. Video hooks viewers, especially when your content is good. Your Instagram audience will also help your brand grow by engaging with your real estate videos. LinkedIn is the perfect place for building a professional network. You can connect with investors, builders, and buyers to look for real estate business opportunities. Though often overlooked, LinkedIn can be a great real estate marketing tool and an excellent way to distribute your content. Given LinkedIn's USP, it's more suitable for real estate agents that want to target professionals. Independent practitioners like CPAs or C-suite level professionals that make decisions about renting or leasing corporate spaces for the company are typically the best people to network with through your LinkedIn business profile. Freelance hiring tools, let's face it, you can only wear so many hats at a time. As your real estate business grows, you're going to need some external help. While there will always be work that you will have to do on your own, certain tasks such as video production, running ad and email campaigns, and even managing your calendar can be outsourced. Hiring freelancers can be a great way to get professional services without picking up any operating leverage. If you don't know where to look for freelancers, we've got a few places you can look at. Upwork is an excellent platform for finding freelancers for remote work such as managing your social media, creating content for your real estate website, hiring a virtual assistant, or getting someone to create and manage your ad campaigns. There are no fees for using the platform, and the pool of freelancers is absolutely massive. Upwork uses a metric called Job Success Score. It's a measure of how well a freelancer has performed on past projects based on the client's rating. This lets you vet top-quality freelancers. You can also search for freelancers based on region, total amount earned, and other filters. Ori Svieli says, there is no one thing that will do your magic, it is a mix of many trades. 1. Being professional at what you do is one of the most important aspects of any position, but without marketing yourself in most cases you will have trouble. Being professional and caring will help you with your long-term goals and give you high-qualified referrals over time. My favorite. 2. Being an online guy, I like to recommend Twitter. You will be able to build a following of relevant home buyers, sellers in your area by using twitter.com/search to answer relevant questions and gaining trust of locals. Don't spam out your information about your open house. No one wants to hear that before they know you and trust you. Be unique and helpful and people will gain interest. Nicholas Querico says, the best real estate marketing tool is detailed, accurate information. What does your house listing have that a buyer wants? After the top 4 categories of location, price, bedrooms and baths, there could be any number of features that tip the scale towards a sales contract. A hook that could catch a buyer could be a security system, real hardwood flooring or a backyard with a view. Even in a cookie-cutter neighborhood, there is always something unique about each house, and it's a realtor's job to relay that information to the public. My House Has is a free mobile real estate app designed to help agents collect those details and instantly organize them into an easy-to-read PDF. Be the best representative of your listings by having all the information at your fingertips. Your sellers will love you for it and your buyers will be impressed. Thanks for watching our video on what is the best real estate marketing tool.